Marketing Blocks 2.0. Introducing human-like all-in-one AI marketing assistant. Finally, get all your landing pages, promo videos, ads, marketing copy, graphics, email swipes, voiceovers, blog posts, articles, art, and more, done in 60 seconds by AI. AI creates an online ready-to-profit business using just a keyword. Use in your business or sell to clients for big bucks. Landing pages. AI creates full landing pages and websites from just a keyword or URL. AI creates the layout, writes the copy, searches for relevant media, and combines everything to create high-converting landing pages for more leads and sales. Comes with a drag-and-drop page builder so you can edit everything in a few clicks. Import and redesign any landing page in seconds using AI. No writing, designing, or coding is required. Marketing copy. AI writes marketing copy in 100+ languages for any niche. Create and sell content for social media, blogs, websites, sales pages, SEO, company profile, e-com stores without writing a single word yourself. 200x cheaper than professional writers and 500x faster than humans. Long-form content. AI writer writes full blog, books, business plans, VSL scripts, courses, and more in minutes. Generate just the content you need without brainstorming, writing, or even editing. Find the angle that suits you the best and even rewrite the same content in unimaginable ways. Generate just the content you need without brainstorming, writing, or even editing. Comes with a powerful content editor to make content creation a breeze. Designs and banners. AI designs stunning, conversion-friendly banners and ads with original content written specifically for your business. AI writes the script for you, searches for relevant media, and combines everything to bulk create gorgeous designs that drive traffic, leads, and sales. Comes with a drag-and-drop graphic editing tool so you can edit everything easily. Videos. Create promo videos in 60 seconds using AI. AI will create professional videos to engage your audience and turn them into high-paying customers. AI writes the script for you, searches for relevant media, and combines everything to create professional videos to promote your business. Engaging and attention-grabbing promo videos with original content written specifically for your business. Comes with a drag-and-drop video editing tool so you can edit everything easily. Arts. Turn any text into compelling images and arts in seconds using AI. Instantly generate photorealistic arts you can use in your business or sell to clients. Generate in seconds and use them to grab attention and drive more traffic and engagement. Find the perfect image for your next video, social post, ad, blog, NFT, or website using only a keyword. Voiceovers. AI writes voiceover scripts and generate human-like voiceovers in seconds. AI writes a powerful script and turns it into audio using one of our human-like voiceovers to help sell your business. Choose from a wide section of 30 high-quality male and female AI voices. Most natural human voices for every type of content: sales videos, explainer videos, ads, demo videos, vlogs, social media, training videos, video commercials, and many more. Logos and business cards. Create logo and business cards in 60 seconds using AI. AI will create anything and everything you need to define your brand identity: professional logo, business cards, mission and vision statements, slogan, taglines, value proposition, and many more in less than 60 seconds. Ideas. Use AI to generate and brainstorm ideas for your business and your clients. Marketing ideas. Growth ideas. Viral ideas. Business model canvas. Book ideas. And many more. Thank you. More detail in description.